Welcome to Trail Talk here on LTTV. I'm Chris Forde. I'm the Director of Marketing at Lincoln Trail College and Illinois Eastern Community Colleges. And we have expanded Trail Talk this week. I'm joined to my left by Dr. Zahi Atallah, the President of Lincoln Trail College, and to my right, Brent, Todd, the Dean of Instruction here at Lincoln Trail College. And we're talking about something that is very special in the month of February for community colleges in particular, and that is Career and Technical Education Month. And Zahi, what is this month all about?
Yeah, it is. It's an important national reminder of the significance of developing the workforce, the vocational, the career-oriented workforce that is needed in this country for all sorts of things, anywhere from manufacturing to agriculture to business and industry in general.
And Brent, career and technical education is sort of the lifeblood of community colleges.
Yes, that's one of the things that makes us different, Chris. Of course, we have our traditional students that transfer to universities, but I think a lot of students don't realize that we actually prepare them for careers right here at LTC, and upon graduation, they go directly into the workforce. And that's a really special component of our curriculum.
Yeah, I want to add to what Brent just said is, we keep on separating things. At the end of the day, whether you come for an associate, you're thinking about philosophy or business, you're going to be somebody's employee. So we're training you for the workforce. At the same time, yes, we have a very important part of our mission that is transfer, but that's not the only mission that we have in community colleges.
And one of the things I really like about career and technical education is so often when people think about school, they're thinking about I'm sitting in a classroom just like this, I'm having somebody lecture at me, and maybe it's not exactly what I want to be if I don't like school that much. But for career and technical education, one of the great things about it, Brent, is you get to have a lot of hands-on education doing the same kinds of things that you're going to be doing when you start your career.
Absolutely. If you step into any of our CTE classrooms, Chris, most likely you're not going to see the students being lectured at by faculty. It is completely hands-on. So in broadband, our students might be splicing cables. In process technology, our students are adjusting valves and using virtual simulation software. In our health program, students are actually drawing blood and learning all of those things that are very important to us right now in the healthcare industry.
And Zahi, one of the things I like about career and technical education too is it's a very quick path to going out and getting into the workforce. So
absolutely, and it's intended to be that quick path. It's not intended to let you go in for years to get the basic training. It's to get you an entry-level job for which you're trained and qualified, even if it means that this includes certification and licensing exams that you need to pass. We're also a gateway toward many union apprenticeships and non-union apprenticeships. So yes, like you just are describing and Brent talked about earlier, this is a game changer for our communities, and we strongly urge all youth to think about it. Not just if they're changing careers, but if you're seeing yourself in a situation where you want to be working for a telecom company, or you want to work in healthcare, whether it's as a nurse or as an administrative receptionist, we are here for you. Business is a big thing for us. We have a business program, and it is a career technical education program.
And Brent, one of the other things that's great about our career technical programs is we work hand in hand with industry to make sure that what we're teaching are the skills that these employers need now.
Yes, absolutely. I think that's an important thing to note, Chris. All of our programs have advisory councils, and we engage the industry that takes our students on as employees. They provide feedback on our programs as to what we need to incorporate, and we make changes to our programs based upon what the industries need.
I'd like to add that this is not an event. It's a national effort. It has been there for decades. There was a big buzz in the 80s and 90s about people going to college, and then we got into the STEM buzz and the health field buzz. But the U.S. is still the leading manufacturing country in the world, the leading IT country in the world, the leading healthcare country in the world, and we need those workforce individuals going into the workforce. And LTC is greatly placed to serve as that springboard for all those people. And we're looking at growing and expanding. And as you just heard from Dean Todd, we're also, we don't teach the same way we thought 5 years ago, let alone 50 years ago. We teach to what is currently needed and how the future is looking.
I think you make an interesting point about industry needs, Zahi, and I think it's also important to note that where we're seeing the most demand in the next few years are actually in those career and technical positions, some of which we're offering right here at Lincoln Trail.
And a lot of those are very well-paying jobs,
Correct.
Great opportunities to start a meaningful, fulfilling career. It can all happen right here at Lincoln Trail College. It's February. We're celebrating Career and Technical Education Month at Lincoln Trail College and throughout the nation. Certainly encourage you to check out our different career and technical programs that we have. And I want to thank you for watching this week's Trail Talk here on LTTV. Be sure and like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like and share on our other social media channels as well. For Dr. Atallah and Dean Todd, I'm Chris Forde, and we'll see you next time on Trail Talk on LTTV.